I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. We're about to find out. So you're telling me with this battery and this Spektrum XBC 200 that I can charge my DJI drone 3 times faster out in the field. 3 times. 12 volts, so I can charge my DJI drone at 12 volts out in the field. Faster than at home with my USB cord. That's what you're saying, is that with this XBC 200, this battery, the XBC 200, that I can charge this 3 times faster. That means it's charged 3 times faster. That means I can fly it a whole lot more than flying the one battery and spending about 4 days to charge it. Now it might just take 1 day. No, 3 times faster. We're about to find out. That's a fact. We're going to find out if this device with this battery will charge it 3 times faster. Do you guys remember the Ken Heron? I hope I'm saying his name right. He was doing a video and he came across somebody flying a DJI drone out in the public, and this person was flying it without the sticks. The little sticks are in the controller here, and then you screw them in. Isn't that something?